I don't know what's wrong with YouTube. You know that I had gotten to that milestone. I had to check my TubeBuddy account, and then I realized that I have actually gotten to the 1,000 views. So if you're a small YouTuber like me and your videos are literally stuck, I think we should take advantage of the short platform on YouTube. Anyways, regardless of the short platform on YouTube, I know that feeling of like, they'll be like, make good thumbnails, make this, make that, and you're doing all of those things. You're doing, your thumbnails are okay. Look my thumbnails now. I did try. Your thumbnails are okay. You make use of description, you make use of what's the other one, tags and the other features, and yet your videos are not doing as well as you plan or as well as you hope. First of all, I don't know what we do YouTube. I have no idea what we did to YouTube. I don't know what's going viral or why they are not even doing or getting the audience that it should be getting. Because I try my best to put in effort in my videos, my editing, and the quality, the sound, a whole lot. And I know that feeling, so I understand what you are going through, why your videos are stuck, or sorry, not understanding why your videos are stuck at a particular level, at a particular range. Yes, I'm excited for this journey, and I'm still gonna try to, see what I can do to help my videos get to where I want them to be and still keep doing what I love. Anyways, I'm still your favorite event girl. So YouTube should do what YouTube wants to do. I'm gonna do what I want to do. I just hope I still have the zeal to keep pushing and keep creating content, showing my life, my business, and whatever I feel like I could share, because there are certain things that you can share and there are certain things that are just for you, private. So I'll still keep doing what I think I can, and hopefully YouTube get it right. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, do like, do share.